Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the first week of June from 1 to 7th of June 2020. And yeah, guys, I'm so much thankful to you for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and for your beautiful comments on my channel. And thank you so much for all of your feedback. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, love, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, guys, let's start your reading. This is for the Leos. So let's see what is coming for the Leos for the first week of June. Okay, your season is also coming after Gemini, Cancer. So let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Leo people. Okay, Eight of Swords. Why are you feeling like this? Let's see. Star, Page of Swords, Patience, which is Temperance, Sagittarius. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, Transformation right in the heart of your reading. Scorpio, Aquarius is also here. Five of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, wow, 10 of Cups. Great. Okay, Knight of Cups. Wow. So okay, bottom of the deck is Nine of Pentacles. So you are this, you're not this. This is your mind, your thoughts. This is not your I just want to say this is not reality. These are illusions of your mind. This is the reality, because you are now in your power. You are now achieving the confidence, independence. Yeah, this is very courageous energy and very independent energy, and also very complete, feeling complete energy with this Nine of Pentacles. And this is Eight of Swords. This is a stuck opposite energy of the Nine of Pentacles. So these are just illusions of your mind. So let's see if Nine of Pentacles come again in your reading. Okay, with the Star card, Page of Swords, and the Patience are telling me that you can see this Page of Swords is surrounded by these two divinely guided energies, divine energies. You can see this Star, Page of Swords, and the Temperance. So this is you. Someone is watching you, but you know what? You are protected by the universe. Yes, Leo, yes, you are protected by the universe. And this is your natural 7th house Star card, which is Aquarius, and this is Sagittarius. So definitely you are very protected by the universe. Universe is protecting you, like, wow. Okay, with the Knight of Pentacles, transformations, and Five of Pentacles are telling me that again you are moving a little bit slow, because you are in a transformation. You are in the process of growth of yourself, of maturity, of growing your spirit, your soul. And someone is feeling left out in the cold because you are not in contact with them again. So you are like, you are very feeling very free, very stable, very easy, very because this Page of Swords is like open, very open to everything, every blessing, every abundance. So you are open to everything, and you are in receiving energy. That's why universe is protecting you very well, definitely. And someone is in the equation is very sad because you are not in contact with them. With the Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. So beautiful energy. You are gaining your power of divine feminine. Yeah, this is very divine feminine energy, and you are now having that in yourself. And with the 10 of Cups, definitely some kind of good news is coming your way. And you will feel like this. 10 of cups, you will feel very happy. And with the knight of pentacles, sorry, cups, knight of cups, this is the person who is coming for you. I'm feeling that this is a good news which is coming your way, that makes you this 10 of cups energy. Yeah, very happy. Wow, so definitely overall is positive energy. You are going through a transformation, and you are paying attention on yourself, which is great. So yeah, let's see what is this 8 of swords, because these are just the illusions, the fears created by your mind. 8 of swords, king of swords, okay, hanged man, 3 of swords, okay. I'm feeling that there is a person who is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, they were very determined, like determined. I just want to say that they were very they have standards on their own, like they have their own made up standards, like their mind's standards, and they are like very still person, very standing still person. And that's why hangman is here, because they were not king of swords, which when king of swords become a still person, no one can make them to talk or something like that. They are very stubborn person, yeah, definitely. But they had made the situation stuck for you, and because of that you had become a sad person. But now you are coming out of it, and you are overcoming that sadness, that burden of the past. And for some of you, I'm feeling this king of sword is you, because the person is not growing that connection with you, and they are continuously giving you the heartbreak, the heart pain. They were just betraying you. That's why you are now cutting them out. That's why you are a little bit stressed, because you have emotions for them. And yeah, that's why you are in your headspace, like after cutting them out, you will not have any other person without them. So this is only your illusions. Yeah, you are in this energy to cut that person out, because if they are not for your better growth, then cut them out. Yeah, cut them out. You are transforming like crazy. Okay, what is this page of swords for the Leos? Okay, already 3 cards. Wow, already 3 cards. Ace of cups, 6 of cups, and 8 of wands. So there is a new love offer is coming your way from a past life soulmate. It must be a past person, or I'm feeling that they are also healing from the bad habits of them. They are also transforming themselves, that because this is also healing card, star card, and universe is pushing them towards you, because this is temperance. Universe is alchemically making the situation happen for both of you, because they were not growing the connection with you in the past, and that makes you sad. That's why you, this is only in your mind. You want to cut them out, but didn't right now you haven't. So the page of swords is clarified by Ace of cups, 6 of cups, and the 8 of wands. So I'm feeling that the person wants like a reconciliation from you. They want a second chance from you. That's why they want communication, because before they were watching you. They were watching you, yeah, definitely. And now they want communication with you, and yeah, because this is a very strong soulmate connection with the 6 of cups, and they can feel that. I'm feeling that the person has, the other person, they have betrayed them, and now they are coming back to you. For some of you, what is this transformation? Five of swords, yeah, transformation from the arguments, fights. 7 of cups, illusions, yeah, fights. 5 of wands, this is the gaslighting thing. Wow, wheel of fortune right in the under the deck of, okay. So yeah, you were like you were before in the past like this. or the person. Like the energy between you and the person is like Five of Swords, manipulative, very confliction, very much confliction. Yeah, because Five of Swords, they want to manipulate you, and they want to win at any cost in any kind of conversation with you, because this is other people. They were listening to them, they were not listening to you, and they were confused, very very confused. Yeah, and I'm feeling that what I want to say, they were manipulating you because they want to make their ego win. Yeah, but now you are overcoming this illusions, fights, gaslighting, all kind of lower vibration energy, and you are transforming crazy. What is this Knight of Cups? What is this Knight of Cups? Because you are in very grounded energy with the Queen of Pentacles and with the Ten of Cups. Good news is coming your way. Well, let's see what is this Knight of Cups wanna say to the Leos. Two of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, I am feeling that this Knight of Cups is very worried with the Nine of Swords energy. Yeah, they are. This is their energy, and I'm feeling that Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. You are busy to having yourself stable, to getting yourself stable, and they are like missing you badly. They're missing you. And you know what, we have 555 here, so it's a big change for you, and also transformation. So definitely a big change. You can see Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and transformation as well. So it's a big change going through within you. You are going through a big change. Okay, so the Seven of Pentacles, I'm feeling that the person is waiting for you whenever your work will complete, and then they will come towards you. That's why they are very worried. This is the anxiety. Okay, so you are busy in making yourself stable, transforming yourself, and universe is protecting you. And yeah, the person is waiting for you. Whenever you will complete your task, they will come towards you. So this is I have for you, Leo. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.